Should we start? Count. 1, 2, 3. I set out on a narrow way many years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road. But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign pointed straight to you. But every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. Straight to you, yes he did. I think about the years I spent just
That was my voice crack. Oh my god, we gotta be done.
Spam.
It was like spam. We're getting that off. We're getting that shit off. We're getting that off. Katie,
Stop it so we can watch it.
where do we plug this in? Where do I plug this in?